Is Wild Rift stuck on the loading screen and refusing to start? Whether the game freezes at the Riot Games logo, gets stuck at 0%, or keeps loading forever, we've got you covered. Because in today's video, we are going to show you several proven fixes that can help get Wild Rift working again on your Android or iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is to check your internet connection. Wild Rift requires a stable connection to connect to Riot's server. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, disconnect and test using mobile data. If you are on mobile data, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network instead. Also, restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi and make sure your internet is working properly by opening a website or streaming a video. And then you might want to make sure to foreclose and reopen the Wild Rift. Sometimes the game gets stuck because of a temporary glitch. Completely close the Wild Rift from your recent app screen. Make sure it's not running in the background. Wait a few seconds and launch the game again to see if the loading issue has been resolved. Now, after that is try to restart your device. A simple restart can clear temporary system issue that may be preventing the game from loading. Press and hold the power button, select restart and wait for your device to turn back on. After the restart, launch Wild Rift again, and of course you want to make sure to clean the Wild Rift cache, which is applicable for Android. If you're using Android, clearing the app cache can help fix corrupted temporary files. So open settings, go to apps, find Wild Rift and then select storage. I want you to click the clear cache. Do not select clear data unless you have no other option, since this may remove downloaded game files. Launch Wild Rift again and check if it loads properly. Remember to always check for game updates on your favorite game. An outdated version of Wild Rift can sometimes cause loading problems, so open the Play Store or App Store and search for Wild Rift. If an update button is available, install the latest version. Once the update is complete, open the game again. Then finally, you can update your device software. Running an outdated operating system can sometimes create compatibility issues, so open your device settings, go to software update or system update, and if a new update is available, I want you to download and install it. After updating, restart your device and try launching Wild Rift to see if that works. And basically, that's it for today's video. Those are your best ways to fix the Wild Rift when it's stuck on the loading screen. In most cases, checking your internet, clearing cache, updating the game will solve the problem. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.